the reason for sneezing. The reason for sneezing. The reason for sneezing is really quite clear. You breathe in some dust and blow it out in the air. Your nose gets a tickle because of your dust. Your body resists it. It suits and it must. The way that you sneeze is always the same. Information is that you young's legs from your brain. Hello. Many muscles contrast to push that sneeze through. That's your diaphragm. Belly and chest. Your eyes shut your tears on the roof of the mouth. This forces your nose to blow that breath out. It blow out, it will, it
and blow out it will. It explodes
with great power. A sneeze can go 100 miles or 116. Careful her.
With great power. A sneeze can go 100 miles an hour. 161 kilometers per hour.
Clapper. Are you sick in bed with a cold or the flu? You know this will cause you to sneeze and that too. Take a sneeze. At a literal alarm. A sneeze is a defense that keeps us from harm. Next, time you sneeze, keep in mind a comment. Cover your nose with your arm or your head.